liver, shallot tomato roast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the liver recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mutton recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the shallot recipes. We're going to make lamb liver shallot tomato roast. We've taken around 200 to 250 grams of lamb liver. We've taken around 4 to 5 chilies, 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, around 20 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, and pouring 10 to 15 ml of oil. Putting the ginger, the garlic, and the shallots, and the red chili, hot garlic, turmeric salt, until the shallots lose the pinkish color. Put in saute, chopped garlic, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, mix, a spoon of chili powder, put in a spoon of coriander powder, thoroughly mix. Put in the liver pieces, lamb liver pieces. Mix. Mix that up. Keep on sauteing for 4 to 5 minutes. Two hundred ml of water. Mix. And let this mixture cook for 20 minutes. Close and cook. Lamb liver, tomato, shallot roast is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Lamb liver, shallot, tomato roast. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the liver recipes and one of the most easiest to make the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.